I am Rita and I work for the YOTEL Porto as a sales manager, which is in the city center of Porto in Portugal. The YOTEL Porto is a new hotel. It opened in the summer of 2021. It has 150 rooms and it's in the best location possible in Porto because it's just nearby the city center, but very easy to reach via metro, 30 minutes straight from the airport, or from bus if you have a big group coming for us. It's 20 minutes walk to the River Douro, all through the historic city center, through the medieval streets, all the restaurants, all the boutique shops, everything you could possibly wish to explore in Porto. There's also a lot of other things that YOTEL can offer. It's a traditional city center hotel with all the comfort that you'd want, but it also has a lot of technology. If you're curious, you can also do a lot of things with the app, such as control the lights and the TV. We have 2 lovely robots that do room service, but don't worry, we have humans too, that are 24 hours available at the reception and also serving at our restaurant. We also have a gym, and if you have a small event, we have events room for you and a rooftop as well. So we have everything you need, nothing you don't. So that is the best that I can say about the YOTEL Porto, and I look forward for your questions if you want to learn more about us.